Hello friends, again I am Vishakha Pawar, lecturer of Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic in front of you and continue the sessions on basic of JavaScript. Let's move on and have a look at different JavaScript frameworks. So one major reason for the popularity of JavaScript is JavaScript framework. Now first one is Angular JS. So Angular JS is the Google's web development framework which provides a set of modern development and design features for rapid application development. Then we have the React JS, which is another top JavaScript framework mainly maintained by Facebook, and it's behind the user interface of Facebook and Instagram, showing off its efficiency in maintaining such high traffic application. We also have the majority which mainly use the providing backend development. So using the JavaScript on the backend to save time and build expert eyes is one of the major ideas behind Mature. And finally, we have the jQuery. Now this can be used when you want to extend your website and make it more interactive. So companies like Google, WordPress and IBM rely on this JavaScript or that is jQuery framework. Now anyone familiar with JavaScript know how it has something to do with HTML and CSS. But what is the relation between these three? So let's have a look at the relationship between HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now think of HTML as a structure, that is skeleton of web. It is used for displaying the web. On the other hand, CSS is like our clothes. We put on fashionable clothes to look better. Similarly, the web page is quite stylish as well. So it is used CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets, for styling purpose. And finally, there is a JavaScript which puts life into a web page. Just like how kids move around using the skateboard, the web also motions with the help of JavaScript. So now that you know how important JavaScript is to make your web look alive, let's have a look at the different benefits of this language. So now there has to be a reason why so many developers look working on JavaScript. First of all, it is easy to learn, simple to implement. So it is weak type programming language. Unlike the strong type programming languages like Java and C++, which have strict rules for coding. Now, it also being fast in today's world. JavaScript is mainly a client-side programming language. It is very fast because any code can run immediately instead of having to contact the server and wait for the answer. Now just that it also has a rich set of framework like Angular JS, React JS, which are used to build web application and perform different tasks. JavaScript also builds interactive websites. Now we all get attracted to beautiful design and websites. JavaScript is the reason behind such attractive websites and application. Also, it does not acquire or require a compiler because the web enterprise JavaScript. So all you need is a browser like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer and so on, and you can do all sort of stuff in the browser. And finally, JavaScript is platform independent and it is supported by all major browsers like Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, etc. Thank you for attending this session. For any queries, drop a mail to me at vishakha.pawar@ggsf.edu.in. You can also write suggestions and comments in the comment box.